Sure, question for the day. How do you identify if someone is developing mental illness? Stay tuned. Make sure you subscribe, follow. I'll give you details of how to identify if the person is developing mental conditions. So first of all, the person may be developing excessive worrying, or they may be having anxiety and much fear. Point 2, the person might be feeling excessively sad or low. To get to a time, the person must be having problems with concentrating as well as learning. So you should consider that as well. There will be much mood swings, especially euphoria. The person may always be high. So you should consider that too. One common sign that most people develop is they become more irritable. They become angry frequently. So if you see that, you should consider getting help. And this is the commonest one. Most people try to avoid social contact. They avoid their friends. They isolate themselves from the society. This is also a sign of developing mental illness.